How to fix Snapchat Spotlight not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, go to the Play Store application on your device and then just search for Snapchat application just to make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So just search for Snapchat. So as you can see, we have the latest version of the application because we do not have the option of update over here as shown. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Snapchat application and then tap on app info. And as we tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of storage. Tap on that and then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen. Tap on clear data and then clear cache and then tap on OK. Now go back and tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here like camera, contacts, files and media, location, microphone and phone. Now go back and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.